Setting up passkeys with instructions that even a senior can follow. Passkeys sound high-tech, but don't let the name scare you. If you can unlock your phone or computer, you are already most of the way there. A passkey replaces your password with your device. A passkey lets your device prove your identity automatically without you ever typing a password. Secure the front door before proceeding. Here's a pre-flight checklist. Update everything. Ensure your phone, computer, and browser are up to date. Turn on a screen lock. You must have a PIN, password, fingerprint, or face unlock active on your device. Verify recovery access. Make sure you can access your email or phone number if you get locked out. Before we start, let's make sure the front door has a lock. A passkey needs your device to be protected first. Navigating to your passkey settings. Go to Account Settings, Security, and then find something called Passkeys. Wording varies across the internet. Look for these: Add Passkey, Sign in with Passkey, Passwordless Sign in, Security Key. Do not panic if the website uses slightly different words. Look for the security or sign-in options. The irony of using a password one last time. Step 1. Sign in normally. To set up a passkey, you must first sign into your account the old-fashioned way, using your current password and any verification codes. Yes, I know we are setting up a way to avoid passwords by using a password one more time. Technology enjoys a little irony now and then. Choosing the right home for your new digital key. The website will ask where to save your passkeys. The easiest choice is usually the device or password manager you already use every day. Take your time and read the screen carefully. Proving you are you without a secret handshake. You can use Face Unlock, Face ID, Windows Hello, Touch ID, the phone sensor, or a device PIN. Step 4. Confirm with your device. Your device will prompt you to prove it is really you using one of these standard methods. This is the moment your device says, "Prove you are you." No drama, just unlock your device like usual. Verify your passkey works before changing anything else. It's crucial. Do not delete your old password or other recovery methods until you have successfully tested the passkey and understand your recovery options. Passkey created successfully. Now sign out of your account. Return to the sign-in page and choose Sign in with Passkey. How different ecosystems store your passkeys. Apple, iPhone, or Mac uses Face ID or Touch ID, and it's stored in iCloud Keychain. Android, your phone and tablet, uses fingerprint or screen lock. It's stored in Google Password Manager. Windows PC uses PIN, face, or fingerprint, and it's stored via Windows Hello. Windows Hello does not mean your computer is being overly friendly. It is Microsoft's way of confirming that you are the person using the device. Why some websites still ask for a password. Passkey added? Good. Password still exists. That is often normal. While some services let passkeys completely replace passwords, others keep passwords active as a backup method. This does not mean you did something wrong. Some companies are just still wearing both a belt and suspenders. Recovering your account if a device goes missing. Step 1. Don't panic. Step 2. Use a trusted device like a backup tablet or computer. Step 3. Use account recovery, email or phone. Step 4. Remove the old device from your account settings. Step 5. Review account activity. Know where your passkey is stored. That matters if your phone breaks, your computer retires, or your tablet decides to become a paperweight. Red flags and common passkey mistakes. Don't set up a passkey on someone else's or a public device. Don't ignore your account recovery options. Don't assume every single website works exactly the same way. A scam alert. Scammers send fake messages asking you to set up passkeys. Never click surprise email links. Always navigate directly to the official website yourself. Start your transition with a single familiar account. Just pick one account you trust to learn the process. Get comfortable with how it works before adding passkeys to your other accounts over time. Don't try to passkey your entire digital life in one afternoon. That is how coffee gets cold and tempers get warm. Making life harder for scammers. Your summary checklist. Update your device and turn on a screen lock. Find passkeys in your account security settings. Set up one passkey today and test it. Keep your recovery options updated. Bottom line, passkey is not about making sign-ins harder. They are about making life harder for scammers. Remember, new technology is only scary until you understand what it is trying to do. I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy.